Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. Today I will show you the place where we stayed. It's a tiny house. Tiny house is being like a culture in Turkey. It's just started. I think it started in the United States, then it spread it to Turkey. We have a lot of tiny houses in Turkey and we stayed in one of them during our honeymoon for 2 nights. We found this one in Fethiye in Muğla, Turkey, and we stayed in this tiny house. You know what? The house is really tiny, but it has everything you're looking for. Let's go inside and check it out together. There's a pretty big area, a garden area. The owner told me that there will be pool here next year. So we will wait for the pool and maybe we will come again next year. Let's go inside the house. There's a nice dining table, sitting area here. So you can have your breakfast, dinner, lunch here. You have everything you need for cooking. So, in this place, there's jacuzzi here. It's pretty nice, open air. Fill it with water, start it and enjoy your time in this jacuzzi. And there's also a swing here, which is quite nice. And you can have your coffee, tea and enjoy your day in the swing. You know what? I stayed 2 nights in this cabin and I'm sharing my experiences with you. So if I like it, I will say I like it. If I don't like anything, I will tell you that. I will be honest. So this is the Ali tiny house, by the way, located in Fethiye. The door, and you know what? This door, you can extend this door. So you can open it up like this, I guess, like this. I don't know. What's it do? Ha, böyle mi? Aha böyle. Yes. Check this out. What you have. Now, your house is in the garden. So this is your sofa. It's pretty nice designed, well designed, and it's quite comfortable. You can sit on your sofa. You can enjoy the view of your garden. And there are really nice details like this. I like those. And the most important thing, of course, it's a hot city. We have AC in this tiny house. When you open it up, in half an hour, all cabin is cold. And on this side, I like this one. This is Turkish cologne, lemon cologne. It's a Turkish tradition, by the way. You have coffee machine, you have tea machine. You can make tea. And these doors, there are like tea glasses, coffee cups. Again, nice details. And here are glasses again. And you know what? You can cook here and you don't need anything more. You have olive oils, herbs. Everything is well designed and good quality. I like it. And also even a dishwasher here. And you can find everything you need. You have the plates, you have the forks and knives. So you have everything. You can cook here and eat it in this house without going anywhere. And here there's bathroom, toilet, bathroom, shower. Right, this is the bathroom. It's quite useful. Toilet, lavatory, and the shower here. So everything is well designed and I can fit. I'm 1.90 centimeters long. Okay, let's move on to, oh, there is even a washing machine here. So if you need something to wash, okay, don't worry, you don't need to wash anything. Okay, there's a fridge, full-size fridge, which is great. And what is it here? There are glasses again, wine glasses and etc. And yes, this is the bedroom. Let me open it. Right. This is the bedroom, and the bed is really comfortable. You have even your towel and everything. Everything is nice and clean. There is even a wardrobe here, which is amazing. I wasn't expecting to have a big wardrobe in this tiny house. There are shelves here, and even here, right under the bed, there are shelves, so you can put your shoes and like your tiny bags and stuff here, so which is quite useful. And you know what, there is a place here, I think this is for projector. So if they put projector in the future, probably they will do it, because it has its space. So with projector you can watch movie here in this bed when you're lying. Right, this is the tiny house tour. Let's go out and give you some more information. And you know what? We use these knives. These are quite sharp and useful. At night, this place is windy, so it's quite cool, and you can reach the house from your veranda, so it's easy to go from your balcony to the house. And when the house is tiny, of course the video is getting short, and this is all a tiny house. This is the tiny house tour actually. I stayed here, I had so much fun. Thank you to the owner, Ali Tiny House. They helped me a lot. They asked many questions about the house, if we enjoyed it, if they need to do anything more to this house. So I told everything. It was fine. We had so much fun. And there is also one more detail I have to show you. You can come with your friends or group of your friends, and there is even barbecue in this tiny house, because it has amazing garden. We did the barbecue first night and we enjoyed it a lot. Right, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comment below what would you like to see in my channel. I hope you enjoyed this tiny house tour. If you want to see more tiny house videos, probably we're gonna stay in some more tiny house. Bye bye.